Alright guys, I'm happy to show off the new look on my old body style Chevy truck. This of course is an 89 C1500 with the work truck front end. And it just had some basic 235, 65 R15s on them, or maybe R14s. I don't remember what size the old rims were, but they were just the basic wheels that came from the factory. And I knew that had to change, and I've seen a lot of pictures of old Chevrolets with Sawblades on them, and so I was looking all around for some Sawblade wheels or some old AR39s, just something that looks kind of 90s, you know, 80s or 90s. And I found these on the Facebook Marketplace. They originally had Cooper Cobras on them, but the tires were 14 years old, believe it or not, and I did not want to put those on. So I had these Hercules HP 4000s put on them. These are pretty good tires as well, just a little cheaper than the Cooper Cobras. And let's take a closer look, shall we? The back is a 275/60 R15. As you can see, the wheels are used and could use a little bit of cleaning up. And whenever I say wheels, I'm talking about the rim. The tires are brand new. Up front, it's 255/60 R15s. Let's see. And they're just a little smaller up front than out back, and you can, if you're looking for it, you can tell. If you're not, it looks good. You may not know what it is if you're not looking for it, but it really looks good. I think next, what do y'all think? Like a 2 or 3 inch lower all around. The back already doesn't sit much higher than the front, so I'm not going to do a 4.2 or 5.3. I think just a 2 or 3 inch drop all along to get a little better wheel well fitment. Let's look at the other side. You can see the lighting's not really on my side over here, but let me see if I can get that camera over. Let's walk around to the front of it, shall we? In my opinion, I'm really liking this truck. I think I got an excellent deal on it, and it's amazing how much wheels and tires will set off the look of something. It went from just looking like an old beat up Chevy to actually it looks like a performance truck, and hopefully soon it'll play the part, because I do have some modifications planned. And as I get older, I prefer older stuff. So whenever I was younger, I actually liked the Silverado front end on these trucks. I preferred it, even though my first truck was an old body style with the work truck front end with the 4.3. But I'm starting to prefer this look over the Silverado front end, because I think this looks a little older. Also, used to I preferred the newer style interior. I believe this door's unlocked. Yeah, it is. But now I'm a much bigger fan of the old school stuff. I love old school. That's why this thing with the carburetor and the 5-speed on it, just perfect. My ideal truck. Actually, I'm starting to like it as much as I do my green F-150, which you can see looks all neglected back there. It's not. It's just the only automatic, so it's easier to get it over all that rough terrain. But guys, those are the new wheels and the new tires. I hope y'all like them, and let me know if y'all want to see more with this truck. I certainly like it a lot.